I lock you in? You don't want to get wet. You're having a good hair day.
Hi, Lori.
Hi.
You're back. I forgot my receipts.
Oh, I saved them for you. There you go.
Thank you.
How's your day been going?
It's going good.
What about dinner plans? You all ready?
No, I still need to stop by the store on the way home, pick something up.
How about a hot, fresh pizza to take home free?
Really? A free pizza?
Yeah.
That would be great.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sound Credit Union, this is Candy. May I help you? Oh, it's very easy. If you will go to your internet browser and you'll type in www.soundcu.com. Very good. If you'll move your cursor to where it says Banking Log On, and then click on that. That's all there is to it. That's a piece of cake. Thank you.
What if, every day, we all committed a few random acts of easy?
Hold on, come on, let's go. We missed it.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just getting ready to leave. Would you like my spot?
Oh, I love it. Thank you.
Can you put those in the back seat for me?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Also, will you tell Cheryl I said hi?
I will do that.
Thank
All
you.
right, you have a good day today.
You too.
What if we all took a little time to make life easier for others?
Baby on board, huh?
Sound is here to help people,
Can I help you with that?
to make at least a small part of their lives, the banking part, just a little easier. We don't have to please investors. We just have to serve our members.
Can I give you a hand with this?
We do that by making it easier to borrow money, to buy that car, boat, or home. And our savings plans make accumulating money easy. It's that simple.
What are the little things that make our life easier? What if we all shared a few more of them?
Here you go.
What if we could de-stress every day, even for a few precious moments? Dinner magically appeared on the table.
To you.
Sunday morning wasn't just one day a week. Your credit union valued your time so much
Don't worry, you made it. Come on in. It's only 5 hours.
that they stayed open 5 minutes beyond closing and opened 5 minutes early. Sometimes in a long day, the minutes count, and the small things make us feel loved.
Thank you.
Before you go, though, we have towels. Would you like one?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Wow, it's steaming. Thanks.
I know, they're great. We do it for our members all the time.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What if life were this easy?
What if the place where you bank helped you understand and improve your credit score so that you could borrow the money you need for whatever you need it for?
Have a good day at school. Don't forget your homework.
Helped you find the problem you had balancing your checkbook? Loaned you what you needed to make it easier to buy that third car? The car for your daughter to get to her community college classes?
What if the place where you bank valued your time as much as we do?
Thank you.
You're welcome.